everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
abbreviation.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Abbreviation is to shorten a word to not be the full length of itself.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Shorten, abridge, reduce.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Lengthen, expand, increase.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the student bring an abbreviation to the party? Because they wanted to make everything shorter and have some more fun. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
It's quicker to abbreviate oh my gosh to OMG when texting.
Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
Singable Words.